So take your panel, grab either a rotary cutter or some scissors, and we're ready to cut out along these black lines. Once you're cut out, you're going to place your 2 pennants right sides together and clip them up. If you want to save on fabric, you can just use a plain white, plain red or a plain blue on the back and not double up your pennants. We're now going to sew up down this side, pivoting at the point here and up the other side. Make sure you do a back tack to start and finish and leave the top unsewn. Being very careful not to cut the stitches, snip the bulk away from the bottom point, cutting as close as you can to the stitches. Turn your pennant in the right way. Poke out your point with a chopstick. Give your pennant a quick press. Carefully trim along the top edge, snipping off these excess pieces of fabric. Keep going until you've got as many pennants as you like, and then simply stitch them onto some cotton tape or bias binding to create your bunting.